Okay, let's do a recap of Wednesday, the 26th of August. I'm done trading for the day. It is about 5 p.m. here, 12 p.m. New York time. Yeah, pretty good fucking day, but it took 6 trades. I know 5 is meant to be my limit, but low key, that last one was too clean to miss out on. So, and I was like happy to risk it. A bit of a rule break, but is what it is, low key. Um, First trade, kind of directly off market, not really directly off, like 10 minutes into the session. Got an entry, just a like clean break of this level. Had 2 levels, doesn't really matter. Yeah, it was just pretty simple, like wicking off the level and then just targeting the high that we'd already put in from the Open of New York. So it was our first win for about 1.5. Overall, we're up 4.2, I think it is. And then the next one, it was a loss here. Just trying to take a short off of the area high. It came up, and then just we had this big pretty displacement candle here that I was quite happy to take off. I was just targeting the point of control, but never got it. And this was a really quick 1.5 here, but we're just kind of flushing through it again. And then after this candle, I just got in and put my low at the stop. At this low that it created inside this, when it just kind of swept this low and then rallied up. So I just took it off that. And then next trade was like a similar idea how we just broke the level, and then I was expecting just like a break and then a retest and then push up higher, but didn't get that today. And if it did just push higher, I probably would have been done for the day. So I took a loss there, so that's 2 and 2 to start, and then this was a really nice short. As you can see, we just kind of dumped through both these levels. This candle here, this big wick, was really nice, and then there's the confirmation after it. As you see, we just closed below this next level, which is my reason for getting into that one. And yeah, I just targeted. I was gonna go for 1-to-1, just targeting like this, but I thought I'd be a bit greedy, low key, and go for that low when I literally just took the low. And then I kind of sat off for like an hour after that, and then this was our last. It was meant to be done for the day there. That would have been like plus 2.5 risk to reward on the day, but I kind of came back and took one more trade after seeing this like sweep of this level. I was just pretty fucking. This was a pretty nice setup to miss out on, and I targeted the next level up, and that was about 1.8. I put my stop. I could have had a really tight stop like that and got quite nice risk to reward, but I kind of wanted to just cover both levels and have that low protected. And yeah, I literally could have shorted right off the next one quite easily, and then maybe even have another long here. But I am done for the day now, so we're up about 4.2 risk to reward, which is great. Really good day. And let me know how you all got on, if you took any similar trades, and if you have any questions. Cheers.